Your mind is crowded. Your mind is confused. Your mind is loud because it is overloaded. You are working your brain too much. You are worried about things. Matter of fact, you are worried about so much that a lot of the stuff that you worried about don't even need to be worried about. Like, think about it. You are worrying about, oh, why is it so cold out here? Why is it so hot? You can't control the weather. So your whole day is messed up because you are worried about things that you can't control. Control your mind. Focus on what you can control. And I guarantee you, if you focus on what you can control, your life will be a lot more simpler.
All the wasted years.
Not easier, but it'll be a lot more simpler. It would be a lot more easy to manage stuff that you can control. Case in point, if you are in relationships, right, and the other person tripping and they doing this, and you panicking, like, oh, they doing this and they doing that, I guarantee you it'll be a lot simpler, not easy, it'll be a lot simpler to just control what you can do. Which means it means controlling what you can say. It means controlling what you do. If that relationship not benefiting you, maybe you should give it some space. Maybe you should step away. And watch how just doing what you can control, it's not always easy, but it's always the simplest and the best decision you will make. Sometimes in life, we get so confused and we get so overloaded because we're trying to do everything and anything. Simply, we need to do less of everything and just focus on those very small details. The truth of the matter is the only thing that you really can control is the very nitty-gritty small details. The stuff that people overlook. You can't control an outcome, but you can control how you respond to an outcome. You can't control a situation, but you can control how you view a situation. You can control your viewpoint on things. You can control what you do. You can't control where they don't want me, they don't like me, da 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 da. What you can control is that you like it. You can control what you can control. Stop going through life trying to fix and change everything, or draining yourself, or killing yourself, or trying to do too much of everything, which means you're doing a whole lot of nothing. Say that again. When you try to do everything, you end up doing nothing. You can't fix this, you can't fix that, this and that and everything, and still want your life to be in contact. No, you have to slow it down. You have to focus on certain things. You have to focus on the nitty gritty. You know those things that you can't control? Glad you asked. The things that you can't control is you. You control you. That's all you can. You control how you think. You control your next move. You control if you're going to get out of bed every morning and make something work, make something shake. You control that if every single day of your life you decide to be happy. You can control how you look. You can control, or you're going to be buff, or you're going to be muscular, or you're going to be skinny. You can control what you eat. You can control how you're stuck. You can control you. Not all of you. You can control you. You can do so much in this world if you was to just control what you can control. Kid you not, if you were to focus on the things that really mattered and the things that only you have control over, your life would be so much simpler. Not easy, I'm gonna keep saying it. It would be so much simpler because you are doing things that can change. If you focus on things that can change, things that can change will change, and your life will change. That is good right there. If you focus on things that can change, you will change them, and those can change your life. It's when you start focusing on things that you can't change, then you start going in a spiral because you're trying to change something that you can't change. But instead of changing those things, you need to change what you can change. I know that sounded a lot, but if you really listen to what I'm saying, all I'm saying is just change what you can change, and if you can't change it, don't worry about it. Simple, point blank. Change what you can, and if you can't, pray about it, give it over to God, and just focus on those things that you can't change. But anyway, that's all I got for the video. If you like it, share, subscribe, thumbs up. Until the next video. Peace.